Today I'd like to share another project share. If you had seen my video on the baby shaker album, I'll link that below if you haven't. This is a very chunky album. So I wanted to make a box to put it in, and I was going to do the same type of box that I made for the other album, the suitcase one that I made out of chipboard and poster board. However, I'm running out of time, so I decided to go to the store and see if I could find a wooden box. So what I found was a box that was not quite high enough because it's so chunky, and I needed about, like, I don't know, maybe 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch in order for the lid to stay on the box. So this is what we came up with, and we decorated it and we added some height to it. Okay. So with the lid, it just lifts up. So it's just a plain wooden lid that I painted, and I put some a piece of patterned paper on here and then Mod Podged on top. And then I put these little straps just for decoration. They are chipboard and paper with brads and glue. I just glued it on. Okay. We added these little handles just for decoration. Not that you need them, but you can lift the box up from the handles if you'd like. And then just to kind of cover the nails that came with the handles, they popped up just a little bit. So we covered them with chipboard, and then added this little fabric to match the fabric of the actual box. Right, so I'm gonna put that aside. So then the actual box we painted green, added some cushion underneath with fabric, and again I put one of those pull tabs to help pull the album out. I really like these. So it just kind of lays down the bottom like this, so then you can put the book in, and I will show you how that works. Okay, I'm going to flip it this way. And what I'd like to show you is the original box was this big. It came to where these hinges are. So it was this big, and you still needed some more room. So we bought a piece of wood that was the same thickness. My daughter cut it down. She attached it with wood glue. And then we added these little, we couldn't find the L brackets, but we did find these, so this is gonna work just the same. They're hinges, but it's just to keep those two pieces of wood together. So we got the glue and the nails, one in this piece and one in this piece to hold them, and then I have it on all 4 corners. Okay. We also added, and when I say we, I'm talking about my daughter because she helped me with this. I had fractured my 2 pinkies, and they're still healing, so there's a lot of things that I couldn't do. So we added these little feet just to give it a cute little box. All right, so then if you lay the box down, put your ribbon down the bottom. So I'm gonna wrap this up. Now I was going to wrap a ribbon around it, and I'm not sure if I'm going to do that yet. But I'm going to lay it in the way I want her to pull it out, okay? I'm just gonna lay it in here like this. Then when she wants to pull the album out, she takes this string, pulls it up, and then takes a hold of the album. And then I just leave it like that. All right, and then you take your lid. Plenty of room now that she can put the baby's hat, little booties, any little mementos that she wants to save from the hospital. She can add right on top or right underneath the album, whichever she chooses, because she has a good 2 inches, I guess, and then a little bit of in the lid gives it a little bit more room. So it's perfect little memento to hold anything for the baby's first year. So again, I will link the video below for the album if you'd like to see that album. And I'd like to thank you for watching, and please give us a thumbs up if you liked my video, and make sure you subscribe. Have a good day.